All right, hey guys, welcome to the new video again. And this video we are going to just discuss on how to set up your first Facebook ad campaign as a mortgage loan officer, right? So that's going to be a kind of a basic video on how to set up your first campaign and start getting some lead flow from there. Of course, I'm going to also create some of the advanced way on how to just get a huge volume of leads as well with a lower cost per lead. But this gonna be a basic video where you're gonna just learn on how to exactly set up your first Facebook ad campaign, get some results, get your hands warm up right now, and then of course we're gonna go in depth on the advanced way as well, right? So let's just get in the video and let's just start right now on what are the fundamentals that you need over here before you start, creating your first Facebook ad campaign. I'm sure you can learn a lot of things from this video. So yeah, keep watching and yeah, let's just go in. All right. The first thing that you need to set up your first Facebook ad campaign is of course having a business manager, right? Now, what I mean by over here is that when you have a Facebook account, right, like a Facebook profile that you already have in place, Facebook usually provide you with your personal ad manager, right? What I say is don't create any ads in your personal account. Create all the ads inside a business manager, right, as well. So if you don't have this manager right now, just simply go on Google like this and type in over here Facebook business manager. I hope you can see the screen right now. All right, here we go, right? And just use this link called business.facebook.com, right, over here. And this is one of the client's account right now over here as well, but you're gonna see your own account right now as well over here. And if you don't have, just create a new one. Go on all tools over here, right? And then just let me just go again over here in ads manager. And then on the right hand side over here on all tools again, and click on business settings, right? So once you click on business settings again, you're gonna see your own account. If you don't have a business manager, just create a new business manager, right, and start creating ad from that business manager itself, right? Don't use your personal account, right? Let me add it over here. Don't use your personal ad account. That's not a best way to run the ad, because if something happens, if something get weird in Facebook, sometimes Facebook do get weird with its policy as well, in ads. You don't want your personal account to get damaged. That can affect your your existing Facebook profile as well, because we have done that right now as well in the past, and we have seen our personal account getting suffered by that as well. So create a business manager and then run ads from that business manager account, right? First thing. Second, once you have a business manager in place, create a business account, right? You don't need to create a personal account. If you already have, that's great. If you don't, create a business ad account. Let me add again over here, right? Business ad account, right? That's what you need. Once you have business ad account over here, create a dedicated page for that as well, right? So uh, create a dedicated page for that. You can set up your page right now as well, which you can just create one page, like let's suppose for example VA borrowers, or just the name you can pick up right now, anything else like that, or just get qualified veterans, anything. This can be a name of a page right now, and you can set up that page right now as well. So first thing, having a business manager. Second, having a business ad account. And third, dedicating a Facebook page for that ad account as well, because all the ads that you're going to be running will be coming from that page as well, right? So you're going to have a Facebook page for that right now as well. Now, what exactly do you need for having a successful campaign? What do you need to actually get some lower cost per lead and qualified leads right away coming from your first campaign itself? The first thing that you need is having a good ad copy, right? Now, what I mean by good ad copy is that you need to speak directly to your, you can say, borrowers with their niche audience right now as well, right? So if you're focusing on, let's suppose, a first-time home buyer, right? Go niche on that as well, right? So what you're actually focusing on, veterans, you can say, or suppose doctors, dentists, lawyers. What is your audience right now, right? So create the ad copies and create your, you can say, ad copy structure for those audience, right, to speak to them as well. Because here's the thing, right? Even if you're launching the ad to launching the ad for thousands of people every single day, people are getting the ad individual, right? They're reading the ad individual themselves. So you have to create the copy that directly speak to your targeted consumers as well. That's the first thing. Second, having a backend offer. Right now, what I mean by having a backend offer is that uh, whenever you had the ad running up, right, people are just looking for something, right? They're not just clicking the ad just because you have launched right now. They want to get something out of it, right? So have something over here in the backend offer, like suppose over here free consultation. Let's go over here, free consultation. I hope it is spelling right. Yeah, Google just help me out, right? Anyways, so having a free consultation or this kind of a lead magnet webinar to like new borrowers, anything which kind of add values, in place over here as well, right? Third thing, having an engaging creative. Now, what I mean by having an engaging creative is that people actually respond much better to video campaign, right? Now, what I have seen with my past results over here, right, that videos are the best way to engage your cold audience, right? And this has been one of the proven thing that people have spent millions of dollars, just to get results, right? So just focus on video campaign. You can just shoot a quick video campaign for yourself, explaining few things about VA purchase if that is your targeting audience right now. Anything you want to just create out, or just hire somebody from Fiverr or Upwork, right, to help you create a new video for your dedicated loan category as well, right? So have an engaging creative, have an engaging you can say creative which people see, right? And they can just the call sorry, actually the attention grabbing thing can definitely be higher as, right? Because if you're not grabbing attention of those people from Facebook ad, you're gonna never have the leads coming in, or just like a volume of leads coming down in your campaign as well. So have an engaging campaign. Most probably you can use right now video campaign, which gonna be definitely a great, and I can say profitable way for yourself, to get like a huge volume of leads at a lower cost per lead, right? Fourth thing, right? CTA. What is CTA? CTA is a call to action, right? A call to action is where you actually just giving people about what are the next step, right? That's a really good point over here. So having a call to action is important. You can either send people to a landing page, right, or just send them to your thank you page, or just to your calendar page, right? Send them somewhere they can actually have a call to action. Don't leave them hanging, right? So you actually need people to send somewhere in next funnel, right? So they can move next step as well. Having a call to action definitely not mean that you can just say anything. I would say right now, if you can offer your you can say a lead magnet or an ebook like that as well, and then send them call to action to a different page where they can get those details as well. That's really a good way right now. So having a call to action is important in any ad copy. Now, one of the thing I want to add over here in any ad copy is that right now, that make it simpler, right? Don't make it fancier with like people don't understand the actual copy, right? Because if people don't understand the copy, they're going to skip the ad, right? That's a simple thing. So you have to break it down very simply. Use bullet points, right? Bullet points, add emojis, right? If you can add emojis in the ad copy, that's also a good way to just grab more attention, because people, that kind of people respond to those kind of campaign as well. So make it simpler. Use bullet points, add emojis, or use use different fonts. All right, different fonts to just position yourself and get more attention as well. That's the whole thing over here right now. Now let's go back over here in the actual ad manager, and let's set up your first Facebook ad campaign right over here. So I'm gonna just make sure to give this video in two single parts, so you can understand on how to just have the first Facebook ad campaign structure in really simple and really easy way as well. So yeah, let's share the next video with you guys, and here we go.